a project and its corresponding folders in Eclipse. Now we are considering a project and its corresponding folders. The basically how files are organized. The truth is, it's entirely up to you. You have basically two options for organizing your files. Eclipse can do it for you. You can do it yourself. If you are not interested in letting Eclipse organize your files for you, you may feel free to skip the rest of the description, and also skip setting up your workspace part. Workspaces and projects. Eclipse uses two basic abstractions to manage your code: a workspace, a working directory for all of your projects. Think of it like My Documents in the Windows operating system. It's a folder which contains a lot of your documents, but there's nothing to prevent you from creating another folder called My Other Documents. For instance, to house other documents. Typically, you only need one workspace, and you can think of it as your My Documents for Java code. If you wanted to, you could have more than one, but chances are you won't have a use of more. Projects, a collection of related code, generally speaking. Each project encompasses one independent program. Each programming assignment you do will typically require its own projects. In short, your workspace is going to contain a lot of projects. It will be the folder that holds all your projects, and that's mostly all it is, a folder on your hard drive. Workspace and project organization. Whenever you make a project inside of Eclipse will automatically create a new folder in your workspace with the same name. Inside that folder, it will create two folders, bin and src source. The bin folder can be ignored. This is nothing more than the folder in which Eclipse stores the .class files generated by compiling your code, which it does automatically. The source folder is where all your Java files will be saved. So in the end, there's no voodoo going on under the hood. It's very simple. Your workspace is the containing directory for your projects, which are in turn directories named after corresponding projects. Pros and cons. Pros, you don't need to create directories or move files by hand. Your workspace is self-contained. You keep it on flash drive, or for instance, you can pop it into the lab computer, boot Eclipse, and just point Eclipse to your on USB key workspace directory, and voila, all your projects load along with your projects and workspace configurations. Cons, you can't put different projects in completely different directories without making separate workspaces. It may not always be clear to you where your stuff is. Here you can see bin and source and .class path and .projects under the project directory, and fibogui.java and fibonacci.java inside the src directory. This is a navigator view. In the package view, you can see the package structure here. the source, the default package is in source src here. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.